Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a coffee table with an old curtain. So this is the curtain I'm going to use to make my coffee table. I'm going to get a pair of scissors and I'm going to cut the extra side of the curtain. Once you finish doing that, you're going to need some cement. Now I'm just going to put a cement into a bowl. And I'm going to use some tap water to mix the water with the cement. You want your cement to be thick so then it can be good for the coffee table. So you want to dip in your old curtain. As you can see, we already have like a circular thing, so you want to place a circular item so then it can form a shape with it, something tall. As you can see, I'm just cutting some extra parts off because I don't want mine to be so long. And I'm doing this outside, so I'm gonna let it dry outside until it's dry. Just make sure to check the weather just in case if it rains. So you want to do this on a sunny day where it doesn't rain. So it's dry. I removed the thing which was supporting it underneath, and now I'm gonna apply some paint onto it. We're gonna just rub that paint everywhere so then we can spray it later on with silver. So this is only a coffee table. You don't want to sit on it. As you can see, there's like a little dip into the coffee table because we tested how strong it is and it wouldn't be strong enough for a person to sit on it. About books, some plates, food, it'll handle that much. But if you put too much, it's gonna collapse and break. So you wanna be nice and gentle with this coffee table. Enjoy your coffee table. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. And we'll see you next time. Goodbye.